It's easy to meet regulations by printing your own GHS labels using Brady's BBP35 and BBP37 sign-in label printers. Because BBP35 and 37 label printers print in multi-colors, GHS labels can be created by printing both red and black on white continuous tape, or by using the die-cut labels with pre-printed red diamonds. The choice is yours. In this example, we're going to use white continuous tape and the red and black paneled ribbon. However, the general label creation steps are similar if you're going to use the pre-printed die-cut labels. From the home screen or using the More Label Types button, locate the GHS CLP label type. The first step to create a new file is to select a layout or template. The elements in the layout are primarily based on the number of diamond pictograms your chemical requires. You can find this information on your chemical's safety data sheet. Select the desired layout and touch Next. In our example, we're going to make a die cut. It appears as the default label type. Then press Next. Here, the empty label is displayed. To complete the label, select the different elements on the label and fill in the blanks. For product name, touch this area and type in your chemical name or select from a drop-down of pre-entered names. To complete the label, continue touching the different elements of the label and select or type in the necessary information. For the pictograms, touch on the empty diamond on your label and select the number of pictograms needed for the template you initially selected. The counter at the bottom of the screen tells you how many you've selected and how many you need. When all the elements are created, you're ready to either save or print your label. To save, press the Menu button, then select Save File. To print, simply press the Print button. To edit any of the information on your label, press the Edit Label Data button.